Okay, so our Lisa has just sent you a link that has the generic Sway template for our lessons for our students. And in order to help everybody save time so they don't have to keep making new Sways every single lesson that they need to create, we've created this template. And I'm going to show you how to save it as a template so that you can go back in and create new lessons much faster. So once you've clicked on the link, you should get a screen that looks like this. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the top right corner of the screen where you see these three dots, and you are going to click there. And then you're going to go down to where it says Save as Template. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on Save. Don't change the title when you're about to save it, because you want the lesson title card to stay the same. If you change that, it's going to basically change that and it'll be a pain in the butt for you. So once it's done saving, you're going to go down here where it says Start from a Template. Well, since you just saved it as a template, you're going to see it right here. You're just going to click on it, and then you're going to go down to where it says Start editing this Sway, and you're going to click on that. What it's going to do is it's going to prepare the template so that you get a new copy of this Sway that you can edit for whatever it is you need for your class. From here, all you have to do is edit your lesson. It will automatically save as long as your internet is connected. And then just a little short review for those of you that don't remember from our training. The way that you can edit this is if you go to the card that you want to change. Like, for instance, we don't want this to say lesson title and then all this. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this card in the top left corner where the triangle is. You're going to click on that. What that does is it opens up all of the parts of the card that you might want to change or edit. So the text of the card, I want to change the lesson title. So example, Sway lesson, and then I can change the date. Let's say you weren't thrilled with the background image I picked, then what you can do is you click on the background image, and then you are going to click on the trash can on the right corner. Now what this is going to do is make it so that you don't have any background image at all. To put a new one in, you're just going to click on where it says Add Background. And then you can search, and then search whatever you like, pick whatever picture you want, and click on it, and then click Add, and it will put that new picture in there for you. When you're done editing that slide, all you have to do is click on the triangle in the top left corner again, and it will collapse it so that it's not taking up the whole screen. And you just pretty much do the same thing for each and every one of these cards. You just go in, and if it isn't already open, you click on the triangle, and then you click on whatever it is you want to change, and you start editing it as you see fit. I tried to set it up so that it already has nice images to look polished to begin with. So if you don't care about any of that, it's already set up. But if you are somebody that wants to put your own personal spin on it, go ahead, change it up the way you want. If you have any questions on anything else with this, um, feel free to send me a message on Teams or WhatsApp or email, and I can help you out as best I can with it. Have a good day.